Hello everyone and welcome to a rainy, disgusting day. It's cold, 9 degrees. Well, it's not that cold for November. It's November 5th, I think. It's around 3 p.m. Just stopped working and I'm going home, as always, as I do make those videos. I want to talk to you about some Id.3 rumors that I heard in the Facebook group and in the comments of my videos, because some dealers say stuff that I didn't know, and I asked my dealer where I will get the Id.3 and he had no idea. And I also want to talk about some Id.3 stuff where I'm a bit disappointed with the whole pre-booking procedure, and a lot of people outside of Germany are too. So many people, I heard it in the Facebook group, did not get any information, so they did the pre-booking with €1,000 or whatever the currency is, and then nothing. So they got a confirmation and that's it. No information, nothing, no email, and I find that a bit disappointing. Those poor people. That's not good. Also, maybe you have seen the production start. It was yesterday at 11 a.m. where a lot of people were speaking. The boss of Volkswagen and Chancellor of Germany was there, and blah blah blah. And the first car should be a white Id.3 first. Maybe it's mine. I hope not it's mine. I will tell you in a sec when it comes to the rumors. But yeah, they said a few things at the, well, maybe it was just one thing that was also disappointing to me, but good for other people. So they in April, they didn't say that, but it said it on the thing that I signed when I said what line I want and what color and interior color, blah blah. It says that in April I can order the car for real, so do the whole payment thing and everything and sign a contract. And my dealer back in the day, so when was this, September? Mid-September was it? Yeah, I think so. Told me that then 1-2 weeks later you will receive the car. But now they say that they want to build many cars and then deliver all of them or most of them at the same time in many European countries. And that's a bit disappointing to me, because I was one of the first who pre-booked on the first day, and I was hoping I would get the car a bit earlier than maybe someone who pre-booked it when they were at the Frankfurt Motor Show 4 months later. I understand that it's better for them to deliver just, okay, we have 200 cars ordered in this country, let's deliver all those 200 cars. It's just cheaper that way, even though a few of them ordered very late and a few very early. We'll see. But let's go to the rumors, because those are exciting, and who knows if it's true. Again, we'll see, but I liked it. So first rumor is that in December, German pre-bookers that selected line 1 or 2 can decide if they want a heat pump for extra cost, of course. I would like that. And what also shows me that it's maybe possible is that in the last email I got where I made the video, it said starting under a certain price. So starting, it's not the price that it is, so maybe you can still change some things and get some extra things. That would be nice. So maybe heat pump, maybe the head-up display. I don't need the glass roof, the panorama roof, but those two would be nice. we'll see. And then the second rumor, and this is something that my dealer said it's likely. So first of all, there will be in April, May, there should be cars at dealerships for people to do test drives with. And it's very also likely that for pre-bookers there will be special events for them to test drive and ask questions, stuff about the car. And that's very likely because, again, yesterday at the start of the production, the same woman who was at the world premiere in Frankfurt said that for the pre-bookers we will have special events, don't worry. She didn't say anything what it will be, but maybe that's it. So maybe till April, pre-bookers can see the car or test the car or whatever. And then in April, May, June, the normal folks who haven't pre-booked the car, the normal ones, not the crazy ones like we are, can drive it then. We'll see. But when it comes to the whole pre-booking thing, what I'm disappointed about is what I said before. I was hoping that people who paid €1,000 in advance before they even have seen the car for real. A lot of people in the first day, I think it was almost 10,000, if I'm right. 10,000 people pre-booked the car before they had. They only knew a few specs, no details, didn't see interior, anything. And I think those people should get something out of that, not just when they go to the Frankfurt Motor Show, a little car and socks. It would be nice if even before the world premiere there would have been an event to see the car. There was one where only a few people could go. I never got a message that I could be in there somehow. Maybe it was random, I don't know. That is a bit disappointing, and right now it would be the same thing. I email Volkswagen a lot. I did it twice today on 2 different emails I did. One for the press for e-mobility and one for the normal the normal customer support. It would be nice to get something out of it when you again spend €1,000 on a car you never drove, and well, I was hoping to get it a bit early, and I know selfishly I was hoping that Germany would get it earlier than other countries, and now everybody gets it at the same time. Norway always gets the car first. Every electric car, they get the car first. And it would have been nice if for once Germany, when it's built in Germany and it's a German company, it would have been nice to get the car first. And it's an important thing for me for making YouTube videos. If I am one of the first who can present you the car driving and testing stuff in the first week before the normal other people, so like Björn Nieland or whatever, that's a big deal for me. So if Björn Nieland gets the car in April, I get my car in June, nobody cares anymore. It's been tested for 2 months, and mostly this is the case. Mostly the cars go to press people, and then customers get the car. And I was hoping this time it would be different, but it looks like it's not. Will be the same thing. Totally selfish, I know, but you know, it would be nice. Yeah, then the other countries, they have it even worse. When I think Portugal and Hungary, they don't know anything. They don't know about the specs. Some countries don't get the 3 versions that Germany gets. One, I think, I don't know what country it was, only get the Plus version, so line 2. Every country is different. Yes. But like I said yesterday with the start of the production, I was hoping the car will be with me earlier. I was hoping in the like I said, April 15th, in all my weekly battery life news, but nah, I don't think it will be that way. I think it will be end of May, beginning of June. Sucks. Yeah. But again, if you can drive the car before you buy it, of course it's a good thing. Test it and see, ooh, regen is horrible and this is horrible. I'm not buying that. And a lot of people are asking, why does it take so long? So they're building around 30 cars a day right now in the start, and then in March they ramped up the production so they can build 800 cars a day. And a lot of people are saying, why are they not, when they're building 30 cars, why are they not delivering right now to the people that are waiting? And some people think it has to do with the software, that they're building the cars and then the software is still in development, and they still have then 6-7 months to finalize it and make it great, especially when it's, like it said in the email, with streaming and internet. So maybe there's a browser in there and music streaming, maybe video streaming, who knows, and a lot of features. Yeah, we'll see. Thank you much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.